Back again, about to commence the moderate pressure washing of the wall. Not a high pressure. You can see a significant difference with the outcome. We're washing the area that had the detergent applied. Vast difference. Now we're gonna just, for the sake of argument, apply pressure only on the same area of the brick. You can see the significant difference with the use of detergency, and this is the same pressure but no detergent. So what you're going to have happening is the microorganisms still remaining alive under the surface and will return much more rapidly than if you were to use a detergent cleaning process. And of course the finished product is a lot optically brighter. Geographic Drift Services, 443-420-8058.